we have our first annual kayak bass tournament on one of our Artrex properties. Now, we went on to the Newton Ranch. Those of you that are familiar with the application, y'all probably looked at the Newton Ranch. It's the 80-acre lake that's trophy bass fishing, catch and release, but the land of giants, truly, is Lunkerville down there. And you'll see through some of the pictures, I think the winner of the tournament had a stringer, 5 fish on a hog trough, 102 inches and 102.25, I think. Terry Brown, everybody, he did a great job. I want, as you're watching this video, for you to understand that even though this is a kayak bass tournament that we're putting on, you as a member can do this exact same thing without all the pageantry, just by booking the property. So by booking the property, you have access to the cabin, you have access to the clubhouse that's on the property. You can fish the lake, you can hunt the property. It's 1,200 acres. You've got an 80-acre lake that has 2 minnow ponds that feed into the lake. You've got bar ditches on the back side. You've got another 40 acres of ponds on the back pasture, and tons of bass to be caught out there. So check out the video. Let us know what you think. If you're not a member, we hope that you'll watch this video and be like, I cannot wait to get out to that property. So the landowner, he loves it. He loves it when everybody gets out there and has a good time. That's what he's built that land up for. So check out the video and enjoy. And we hope to see you out there someday.
Today's winner with a total of 102.25 inches, Mr. Terry Brown.
Today on about half of our tracks, I'd like to present you with the Newton Ranch Trophy and a $50 Amazon gift card. Now, we're not good at prizes, but I hope you like the trophy. I love it. Good fishing, good fishing. And nice to meet everybody.
Way to go, Terry. Good job, bro.
All right, in second place, we got another Terry. Terry Manley, 100.5 inches.
I think this is a lot better prize. That is a high-class cigar, sir.
Yeah. David Sanderford, he's also one of the owners, and he would love.
Well, there you go.
Thanks, man. Appreciate it. Thanks, Garrett.
All right, and in third place, with 91.25 inches, Steve Lee.
You also win a cigar, and y'all both get to take home as much of that beer that we bought y'all. Thank you so much. We appreciate it.
Thank you.
Hey, guys, thank all y'all. We really appreciate it. I hope y'all had fun. I hope you had a good time. Hope you ate plenty. And I mean, I think y'all caught some good fish. So we want to see y'all back out here. You know, just let us know how we're doing. Most all y'all are members of the app, so you know, anything y'all think we should do better or do different, let us know. We want to hear that. So thank you all for coming out, and I hope y'all catch some fish in the morning. All right.